Photosynthesis.
What is photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is a chemical process which occurs in plants using light energy, where carbon dioxide and water produces glucose and oxygen. The word photosynthesis comes from Greek. Photo means light and synthesis means composition. In the 17th century, experiments were done on plant growth revealed that plants absorb water, but not soil, for their development. In the year 1779, the first description of photosynthesis, process by which green plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen and water into glucose, was given. In the 18th century, the discovery of oxygen and its relationship with the release of vital air by plants was done. In the year 1845, the first theory of photosynthetic metabolism, stating that plants convert light into chemical energy, was given. In the year 1854, identification of chlorophyll as the primary pigment responsible for photosynthesis was done. In the year 1896, the consolidation of photosynthesis as a fundamental biochemical process that sustains life on Earth.
Where does photosynthesis occur?
Light energy is absorbed by a green pigment, called chlorophyll, in leaves. Chlorophyll is located in the chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are organelles found in plant cells, particularly cells on the surface of the leaf, such as palisade cells. The equation for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water that converts to glucose plus oxygen, which is 6CO2 plus 6H2O that converts to C6H12O6602. Carbon dioxide and water. The carbon dioxide required for photosynthesis is in the air. It enters the leaves through the stomata, tiny holes, controlling gas exchange. Water enters the plant through the roots and is transported up the plant to the leaves via the xylem in the stem. The oxygen formed is a waste product, but some can be used for plant respiration. Glucose and biosynthesis. The glucose produced by photosynthesis can be used to produce useful materials that a plant needs to survive. Starch, a storage form of carbohydrate. Lipids used for fat storage in seeds. Amino acids to make proteins. Cellulose to build and strengthen cell walls. The factors affecting photosynthesis are light intensity. The time of day and time of year affect the intensity of light. Some seasons are better for photosynthesis. Temperature. Climate change affects temperature. Photosynthesis is generally optimum, between 15 to 40 degrees Celsius. The amount of chlorophyll. Some plant diseases can damage cells, and consequently chlorophyll, affecting photosynthesis. Amount of carbon dioxide. If the concentration of carbon dioxide increases, so does the rate of photosynthesis. Amount of water. Plants need water to photosynthesize, but it may be a limiting factor in extreme rainy or hot weather.
Define the keyword photosynthesis. Describe the reactants and products for photosynthesis. Outline the factors affecting photosynthesis.